How about some push-ups? Let's do it. And no, I'm not going to ask you to do them on the floor. If you're anything like most folks who don't do push-ups regularly, you might be able to lower down once, maybe get back up once, and that's about it for your push-up practice. How about we take some push-ups at the wall? It's a great place to start to build some strength. This is how we do it. Come on over to the wall, place your hands on the wall. Hands maybe start about shoulder width apart. You can experiment again to see what feels best for your shoulders. Walk your feet back some. The further you walk them back, the more challenging this push-up's going to be. Maybe you rise up onto your heels. Maybe not, if this is the first time you've done it. See if you can keep your body in one nice long line. So shoulders, hips, knees, ankles or feet are all in about a nice, diagonal line. Press into those fingers and then start to lower your body towards the wall. And then rise back up. Notice as you bend into your elbows and lower towards the wall, your shoulder blades are coming towards one another. And as you press the wall away, your shoulder blades spread wider. Try this several times if you can. And again, if you're looking for more of a challenge, you might walk your feet further back. Maybe the hands walk down a little bit further. You can also build onto this once that becomes very accessible for you. You could take your hands down onto, say, a chair or a coffee table, something like that. So that brings you a little closer to the floor. It's certainly additional body weight that you'll be using, but it doesn't mean you have to get all the way down on the ground. Do give this a try. See if over time that gives you some nice, strong shoulders, which can help alleviate some shoulder discomfort.